It's probably cold where you're at, and it is beanie season. Am I right or am I right? We just got in a new shipment of CC beanies, and I gotta show them to you because they are so beautiful that you gotta see them in this great light. First things first, these chevron pattern Aztec beanies are so cool. Okay, this one is the light gray. It's beautiful. These are lined on the inside, so they are extra, extra warm. So beautiful, so nice from CC Beanie. And then we have the ivory color. This has got a hint of pink in it, some light grays, some medium grays. Beautiful. They got a little palm on top. And like I said, these are all lined on the inside. Super soft, super nice. Gonna keep your head warm. And then the last but not least, we have beige. They come in a ton of other colors. These are the three that I thought would be the best and that sold really good in the past. So these are beautiful, lined on the inside, cozy, warm, extra, extra thick, as you know CC beanies usually are. So nice, gotta love them. We can add your name in here, you can add your brand in here. If you want to put your company logo, whatever, we can put leather patches on these and a whole bunch of other kinds of decoration on there. Just ask us about all the different things that we do and we can do it. So let's get these customized for you. Or if you just want to buy plain ones, we can sell you just these too. So we don't have to customize them if you don't want them. But we do offer customization on all of our products. We also have kids beanies. You guys have been asking us about kids beanies. We've got them right here. Is an Aztec pattern. This is CC Kids. And we can get the same thing in adults. Like this is a headband for adults. We can get the beanies for adults. We can get this same color in adults and kids. And these come in a ton of other colors that are super great. We currently have this color in stock ready to ship, but the other colors can get here in a matter of days. So reach out, ask anything about any other colors. We can get them very quickly. This color is beige. This is the Southwestern Faux Fur Palm for kids. Next up, we have these three colors. This is called the Sequin CC Tail Beanie. What's special about these is right here on the top of them is an opening. So you can either do a high ponytail, a low ponytail, a messy bun. You can wear it just as a beanie because it has a little elasticity on top. Keeps that hole closed when you're not using it. But you can put your ponytail through there if you want to. String your hair out through there like mine. These have little sequins on them. That's why they call them sequins. You can wear it slouch style. And of course, like everything else, we're customizing these with leather patches and other accessories, other customization. This color is called mustard yellow. This color is called purple, and it is a beautiful deep purple with some purple sequins on it. So cool. Love that color. It looks so good in real life. If you're more of a gray fan, we get these in gray as well. It looks great with a brown patch on there. You can put any of our colored patches on there as well. Same thing. It's got the little opening at the top for your hair to come out in either a messy bun or a ponytail. These come in a ton of other colors too. So if you want something else other than these three, we can get it for you super fast. Okay, next up, these patterned Aztec Faux Fur Palm CC beanies are the most popular that we sell. These were really hot last year. They're hot again this year. They have lots of room right here for like a nice big patch. So if you want your company logo or your name or a funny saying, whatever, we can put it real big right here and it looks really nice. These come in a ton of different colors. We are currently stocking, see if I can hold all these up, all of these colors. We're currently stocking all of these colors because they are so popular. So we have got, this color is called Desert Sand. It is beautiful. This is probably my favorite color personally. This color sounds most delicious. It's a dark berry, but it's a really nice dark purple kind of color. Great Aztec pattern on that. This color is called beige. It looks really nice if you like the black, the dark, lots of contrast in this one. It's got a little bit of turquoise in there just like they all do. So fun colors, love that one. Of course, black. Black is really nice, especially if you live in a dirtier environment like I usually tend to, but you still want a CC beanie, go for this black one. Really nice. And last but not least, we've got gray. Gray looks so good. This is a light gray, and none of these are lined on the inside. So You don't have like a super thick, but they're nice. They feel so soft and smooth. I love CC beanies. These are my favorites. Okay, this one is not from CC. We got this from another company here. But this red with the black accents, black speckles, if you will. Another great beanie. I love this because it has a huge area here to put a patch on. Really, really nice. Still feels like a good quality beanie. It's not lined on the inside, but just a nice standard knit beanie with a palm on it. Love it. Those are really nice. How many times am I gonna say nice in one video? One more thing real quick before you go. I've got these camo hats. These are from Outdoor Hat. This is a Realtree edge camo, and it's brown on the back, has a Velcro adjustment. This is a ladies fit, so it kind of goes along with a lot of these beanies, being ladies fit. And then right there under the bill, we got the flag, the USA flag, right there under the bill. So every time you look up, you see the flag, but it's just kind of a nice little touch on the back. So pretty cool. These are from Outdoor Cap. They're unstructured kind of fit, but we're able to put a nice patch either center, left, or right. We can put patches on crooked. We can put them on the sides of these. Shoot, we can put them on the bill if you want to. So we can really customize these. Whatever you can dream up, I'm sure we can handle. All right, that's it for now. That's it for this latest shipment. UPS just left and dropped off all these packages, so I thought I'd share them with you.